Okay, so we'll start out, yeah, I'm a fanboy. I love my Tesla. But the one thing that I just really don't like is the way that you have to close the frunk. To open a frunk, it's awesome. Just hit the button. It'll pop open. But to close it, a little more difficult. So you have to put your, the manual says put your hands here and push down. There it is. However, now I've got fingerprints on over here, and I used to have a Datsun Roadster, a 67 model. You can see the picture. And it had not that big of a hood on the bonnet, or on the bonnet. And I always was afraid I was going to dent it. And I feel the same way about the hood. I just don't want to dent this thing. I don't want to have a bunch of fingerprints. So I ordered an electronic frunk from teslaoffer. And this is for the Model 3 facelift, and this is a 2021. This isn't an unboxing, it's not an installation video. It's, I'm just gonna put it in, and afterwards, installation video, teslaoffer did a great one. I got a post right here, you can go to that. So I'm gonna install this thing and come back to you, and let's just see how much better it is. Is it worth it? And give you my review, what I think about it. Well, we're now finished with the installation. Test run, of course. I don't have to touch it to open the front. Or close it. Okay, so the total installation took me just about 2.5 hours. Now I had to go back and forth kind of watching the teslaoffer's video on how to do the installation. As far as how was the installation, the biggest issue was getting over the the fear of opening up my Tesla and taking off everything out of the front in order to get to the areas to install it. Installation after that, it went fairly well. The Tesla offer, instructional videos, awesome. Much better than I could have done for you all. So we'll give this a run, see how this goes. I just love the idea that I don't have to touch the hood now and I can open and close my, my Frunk. So thanks for watching, and if you got any comments, throw them down below and we'll see what we do next time.